Welcome. In this video, I'll be designing a graphic I'll be using for an ad from scratch, okay? For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be doing it from scratch and I'll be using Canva, okay? And remember, I told you that you can design a whole lot with Canva. Images, graphics, videos, templates, a whole lot. The things you can do with Canva are numerous, okay? You can search it online and then you will see the things you can do with Canva. And even on Canva app, you will see the things you can really do with Canva, okay? So, but for this tutorial, I want to design a graphic for an advert, okay? So now I have the mental picture in my mind, okay? I have the mental picture of what I want to do in my mind, okay? Now this is me doing it by myself as a beginner, okay? I am not outsourcing it to a graphic designer to do it, okay? So first of all, I have a mental image or picture of what I want, okay? Then secondly, you can see I have written the things I want to, the text I want to add on my graphics. I have written them out so that I will not be confused while I'm designing, okay? So now I'll click on create design on my Canva and I'll click on you can search for a template. Let me search for add template, add, okay? Now I will use square feed add, that is square, okay? This is the, oh no, sorry, I tapped the wrong one. Okay, this is the one I want to use, okay? Feed add, square, okay? Square feed add. All right. Sorry, I am recording this video while it is raining, but I have to do that because of my schedule, okay? So schedule, I have to do it because of my schedule, and then please bear with me, okay, if the noise from the rain affects this video, but I hope it stops very soon, okay? So now here you will see different templates, but we are not using already made templates. You can use any of the templates and customize it to your taste, okay? But what we are doing is that we will be designing from scratch. So here I want to upload images, okay? I want to upload some images. Now look at, I'll be uploading these images, okay? I'll be using them for my design, okay? And I'll click add to page, okay? So I'm uploading, okay? So these are the graphics I'll be using for my ad, okay, to design this ad, okay? So now I'll be rearranging. Now I am seeing myself as someone who sells clothes, and I want to advertise this particular clothes, okay? This is a kind of nightwear for ladies, okay? The kind of nightwear for ladies, and I want to advertise it. It's like a more of a new arrival, okay? So I want to advertise this. So these are the images I'll be using, okay, for my ad. So the concept is in my head. I'm just trying to create the ad, okay? So let me reduce this as well. So the first thing I want to do is that I want to add a kind of a star, okay? I want to add a kind of star. I'll click on elements. I clicked on the plus sign. I clicked on the plus sign first of all, then I clicked on elements. Hold on, okay, elements, okay, and I want to click on a star or bar seal. Let me use seal. Let me see if I can find something I'm looking for, kind of star seal. Fine, look at what I'm looking for. Okay, So I'll select this and I'll shrink it. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Remember, I have the concept in my head. So every graphic designer, if you're designing your art by yourself, you should have a concept. Now I'll click on this plus icon as well. I want to add a text. Okay, I'll be adding text. I'll click on add subtitle. Okay, I will double tap and I will do 50%. Okay, 50% off. Enter. Off. Capital. Okay, off. Okay, this is what I want, and I will drag this into this. Okay, showing it is 50% off. I clicked on this button format. Okay, the format, and I want to make it bright bold. Right now I want to make it white. I click on the color. I want it to be white. Okay, I think I need to spacing. Okay, this is fine. All right, so let me increase the font size. Okay, 50% off. Let's see how it looks. Fine, 50% off. Okay, now let me add something like available for the next, available for 24 hours only, or 48 hours. Okay, let's click on text as well. Add subheading, edit, available for 48 hours only. Okay, so I want this to be under this 50% off. Now I have to reduce the font. Okay, I'll be reducing the font size. Available for 20. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay, so now okay, I want this here. And the next thing I want to do is that let me rotate this and rotate this. Okay, something like this. Fine. Okay, this is good. All right, now let me add the price. I'm talking of 50% off. So if it is 8,000 naira, for example, so 50% off 8,000 naira. Okay, I'm using my currency now. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, and let me see if there is any function that I can use to rule this out. Strike it through. Okay, there is no. Let me reduce the size, font size. Let me reduce the font size. Okay, so if you want to be better or good in graphic design, you just need to practice often. Okay, keep practicing often. Let me increase this a little. Okay, now let me make it bold. All right, then let me look for let me click on this plus icon. Let me look for something like cancel. Click on element. Let me look for something like cross X. Okay, X. Let me just see if I can see anything like X, like cancel, meaning okay. You can see this one. Let me use this. Okay, So I'll bring it here, meaning I'm not selling at 8,000. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, let's make it this is better. All right, so I can duplicate this. I clicked on the duplicate icon, and I also have a course on Canva, okay, graphic design and video creation with Canva. So in case you are interested, as you're watching this, you can let me know. Okay, so this is it. Now, since I'll make it 4,000, okay, because it's 50% off. Now let me look for another icon, plus. Let me click on plus. Okay, hold on please. Okay, let me look for. The rain has stopped, thank God, and I hope you can hear me better. All right, let me get good. Let me just search good mark, good icon or mark. Let's use mark. Okay, so let's take this. I'll reduce it. Now bring it here. Yeah, this is it. I think I like this. Okay, so now what next? Let me check my. Okay, I've added the 50% off. Okay, order for your ladies sleepwear. Okay, that's to add now. Let me go to plus, add text. I'll use the heading. Okay, and I will click on edit. Say order for your ladies sleepwear. All right, I think let me make this capital. Okay, I clicked on format and I clicked on this capital A and small a. Okay, and this is it. Remember, this is for tutorial purposes. Now I can decide to change the font if I don't like it. Let me see if I can get another font that I think will be okay. Let's try this. Okay, no, I want it to be in 2 lines. Let's try this. Okay, this is okay for me. Now I'll change the color. Let's use red or this color. Fine, since my background is white. Okay, or I can make my background blue. Let's try and see. Let me try and change this background to blue, sharp blue, something sharp. No, something sharp. Okay, let's try this. Let's see. No, No, I think it's not working for me with blue. Well, this is just for tutorial purposes. Okay. So if I'm to use blue, that means I have to change this to white. Okay. And I have to change this text to white too. I will tap and change the color to white. Okay. I'll also tap, change this to white as well, to white. Okay, fine. Okay, so now I want to fix these designs into a box. Okay, I don't want it to be here. You know, they have some white background. Okay, let me click on plus sign elements. Let's close this. What should I look for? Let's get frame. Okay, let's click on frame. Now let's see if we can find some rectangulars. Okay, I think this is okay, this is fine, this frame is okay. So now this is the first image, and I will be dragging it into this frame. Can you see? So let me kind of crop it. I will double tap and I will crop. I will crop. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Okay, you click on done. Better. Right. Now I will do the same thing for this. Okay, I'll click on this plus sign. I'll click on the frame. I'll click on the frame. Okay, I will drag this also into it. Fine, I'll double tap to crop it. I'll drag it to what I want. Okay, but this is fine. Okay, so I'll shift this. Okay, this is this, and this is this. Right, let's reduce this too. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, so now I want to put these slippers, okay, this footwear into a circle frame. I will select this circle frame and keep it somewhere here. Let me reduce it, bring it here, and I'll drag this into it. Beautiful. Now let me reduce it and keep it somewhere here. Okay, now I'm doing this from scratch. This is a design for an ad. Okay, I am assuming that I am somebody who sells clothes, and I have this nightwear, sleeping wear to sell. Okay, so, and I want to run advert for it, so I'm just designing a graphic design for it. Okay, I'm doing it from scratch. So now the next thing I want to do, okay, let's check my text. Okay, that says it comes in different sizes. Okay, let me select this. Let's open this. Okay, let me copy this. Let's remove it comes. Let's just see different sizes. Okay. I want to select this. Copy. Now I'll be adding a text. I'm adding this one. Add subtitle. I'll click on edit. I will select all. I will click on paste. All right, this is my text. Let me reduce it and I will bring it here. Okay. Now I'll click on this format. Click on format. I will take it to the left. Okay, fine. And I want to add button to it. Fine, beautiful. Okay. Okay. Now I can decide to reduce the font size. Yes, let me reduce the font size. Okay, fine. This is okay for me. Okay. So now the next thing I want to do is that I want to add get a free gift, get a free indoor, get a free indoor slippers of any color of your choice as a free gift. Okay, let's just copy this. Okay, let me copy. All right, let's go back here and click on text. Let me click on add subheading, select all. Let's select all, paste. Okay, here I need to reduce the font size. Right. Okay, let me put this here. Let me make this extra gift capital. Extra gift. Fine. So I think this is getting beautiful. All right. Okay, now I want to change this to yellow. Yellow. Okay. Yellow. Okay, I think this is okay for me. Oh no. Okay, fine. Let me see if I can bold in it. Okay, and I need to reduce this font size too. No. Undo. Okay. Okay. Now let me see if I can change the font to something better. Oh no. Let's check this. Okay, this is fine. I love this. So let me drag it here. Fine. Okay, so now I have to add a call to action, something like click on the learn more, or click on the place order button below to place your order, or contact XXXX number. Okay, so let's do that quickly. Plus sign, subheading. Let me bring it down here. Let's bring it down here. Okay, let me say click on the shop or order button below, or call 0703. Okay, 03. Okay, 9435413. Okay, now I want to reduce this. All right, then I would click on, I'll reduce the size. Okay, all right, to place order, to place your order or call. So let me change the color. Let's use this other color. Oh, beautiful, fine and good. So you can see that I have my design ready. Okay, this is a design that I can use to run ad for selling maybe this sleepwear. Okay, so you can see I have designed something from scratch, a graphic from scratch, and it is simply because I have a mental picture of what I want, and I am quite conversant with the Canva platform. So you too can become conversant with design when you do it regularly. Okay, so from time to time, just pick up the app and try and design something on your own. Just create a concept and try and design, or you can use already existing designs on Canva and try to edit it. Okay, so this is how I have actually created a design on Canva, okay, from scratch. And then if I'm running ad, I can use this for my ad. Okay, so now when you are done, you click on this download icon. Okay, you click on this download icon to save your image into your device. Okay, you can see it's downloading. Okay, so I have finished downloading I've finished downloading this. Okay, so let me check my gallery to see if it is there. Okay, so this is it in my gallery. Can you see that? So this is how you can design graphic with your Canva using your phone. It's quite easy. Okay, all you need to do is to master the concept of graphic design and keep designing, and you will get acquainted with you'll get acquainted with how you can create graphics, and it becomes an easy task for you to do within the next 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how complex or complicated the graphic might be. Okay, so thank you and see you in the next video.